Family-based therapy is an approach to eating disorder treatment that respects that families love their children, their teenagers, and even the adults in their lives. And we harness and leverage their love and dedication to help treat the eating disorder. There are core principles to family-based therapy, and it's really different from any other kind of therapy because the therapist serves as more of a coach role rather than kind of looking for ways to figure out what started an eating disorder. We just try to treat it. So number one, it's an agnostic approach. We don't look for who to blame. We don't look for what caused it. Number two, it's a non-authoritarian approach. So we don't see the therapist as the expert or the parents as the expert or caregivers or the doctor. We see everybody as equals. Everybody has something to contribute. So the parents are the expert on the child, the therapist is the expert on the eating disorder, and the medical person or psychiatrist would be experts on the medical components and the medication issues that might be involved. And then it is an approach where we externalize the illness, so we don't look for what's going on inside the person. We treat it as if somebody might have a broken leg or cancer. They have this thing. We can get rid of the thing with the right treatment. And when treatment stalls, we look to the treatment providers, which are the caregivers and the parents. And the therapist and the doctor kind of shift how we do things. So those are kind of the core components. There's a little bit more to it than that, but that's at least gives you a sense of how different it is. And parents or caregivers do the portioning of meals. They do supervising of meals. And then in addition to that, they come together and they think about like what's going to motivate my child or teenager and what's going to reward them and what's going to support them. So it's a very home-based approach to treatment, and it's very compassionate. And again, we're not blaming or shaming. We're just looking for how to help this person recover.